श्री सुरेश पुजारी जी, सुरेश पुजारी जी, श्री
Thank you, sir. Thank you, Mr. President, sir. As we all know, there were as many as 471 districts in India in 1992, as against a total number of 300 districts in India in 1952. This means that there was a rise of 57% of the districts in the all India level within a span of 40 years, as against absolutely no rise in Odisha. Late Chief Minister of Odisha, Sri Biju Patnaik, did it in Odisha during 1993-94, reorganized the district in order to make administration transparent and closer to the people, and converted 13 existing districts into 30 districts. Till then, further district organization has not yet been made, though there have been agitation in different parts of Odisha demanding new districts, including a new district of Padampur in the district of Bargarh or of my constituency. That apart, sir, there are 58 subdivisions in Odisha that needs to be further bifurcated, including formation of a subdivision in Brajraj Nagar Assembly constituency in the district of Jharsuguda, which is also part of my PC. Similarly, sir, the Odisha government has not reorganized the block in the state during the last 4 decades. The last one was made in 1984, putting the number of blocks at 314 only. Now the time has come for the bifurcation of large block and the formation of new blocks in Odisha, including bifurcation of Lakhanpur block in Jharsuguda district, having 33 Gram Panchayats, sir, into 3 blocks, and formation of a new Melchamuda block in the district of Bargarh. Though the formation of district, subdivision and blocks is a state subject under the federal system, I request the union government through you, sir, to impress upon the government of Odisha for the bifurcation and formation of new districts, including Padampur, new subdivision, including Brajraj Nagar, and new blocks in Odisha, including 2 more in Lakhanpur block of Jharsuguda district and 1 in Melchamuda area in Bargarh district, to make the administration more efficient and transparent, and to ensure that the Garib Kalyan Yojana of the Honorable Prime Minister reaches the poorest of the poor perfectly and quickly. Thank you, sir.
thank you very much.